doing the blind slime challenge.
So basically,
Well, we're blindfolded and we're just
gonna
gonna
make slime, and we have different
paints and glitters,
and lotion,
white glue.
white glue, lotion, contact lotion, and baking soda. Like no.
So sorry about the dogs, and
Yeah.
we haven't made a video in so long.
Yeah, we haven't made a video in so long.
But without further ado,
Let's get started.
so let's put our blindfolds on. So we already have our glue in our cup. Now I'm gonna put the paint in first.
That paint. Oh, there's something that I'm closing my eyes so I can get my blindfold.
I'm just gonna go with this one. I really hope it's not purple. I'll always get purple. I feel like I put too much in. I don't know if I got that in the cup. Oh, this is thick. Guys, I have no clue what color I got, and I really hope I didn't get purple. Purple's my favorite color, but I always get purple. Have you put your color in?
Yeah. See?
I can't see.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more, just because I feel like I want mine to have a lot of color. What color do you think you have? I feel like I have yellow. I'm just adding the same color. Hopefully that's the same color. Now I'm just gonna go in with baking soda. Here it is. Sorry for the dogs and the
I
neighbors.
feel like it has so much of whatever.
We gave them a bone to be quiet, but then we had to set up and they were finished with the bone before we were done. So. And we've done this video before, but we didn't get it on our channel.
Yeah, because we accidentally clicked the wrong button instead of downloading it to my Chromebook. So that would be good. Now that I go in some glitter.
I'm putting contact solution in. Oh, I forgot glitter. Okay, well, I guess you're only letting me one glitter color, so I'm just going to go with this one. I feel like I got yellow and blue glitter. Don't use too much glitter, please.
I don't know how much I'm using.
I'm going to put a lot of lotion because you got to.
I'm going to give it one more glitter. Oh, it's the same color.
Are you using the lotion?
Maybe squirt.
I know, but like, do you have it in your hand right now?
No.
Oh, here it is.
Hand it to me when you're done.
Oh, yep, it's coming out. I didn't know if it was coming out, so I put my finger under it. Here you go, I'm holding it out. I was just holding it out waiting for you to get it, but you didn't see, so.
Maybe I'll squirt it again.
I have so much lotion. Okay, now it's going to go with contact solution. Okay,
I need my baking soda.
you want to add that? Oh, yeah, I've already added it. And we also have to knead it with our blindfolds on. Just don't set it on the table because there's holes in the table.
Yeah. I don't know that much. A little bit, right? Because it was in my hand.
Okay, this is still too like, we've been trying to make videos lately, but school's what?
Contact solution, do you have it? I heard it.
Yeah.
Noise over there.
I need some more baking soda. We've been trying to make videos, but it's really hard with school and all that stuff, so we're sorry.
You know, I think I'm cheating, guys, because my slime is looking at me. I can't see it. It's just I just used to having it looking at me.
Mine's like, holy cow, mine's turning really, really good. What the heck? Okay, ew, I need the contact solution. It's so sticky.
That's my cup. It's right.
Like, I kind of want mine to be sticky because then I can always go back and add things to it. But my hands are really sticky.
Ew, my hands are too.
Okay, I'm going in with my hands. Oh my gosh, this feels really nice.
It's slime?
Yes, I just need some more contact solution because it's like really sticky. Do you have a contact solution?
No.
Yes, you do. It's not on my table anymore. Guys, I have a band-aid on. I gotta take it off. It's like sticking.
Yeah, I have to.
But never mind, I don't need it. Mine's like really sticky, but it's like really, really good. Guys, I have a really good feeling about this. And we know slime's a little old and all.
It's not.
Kind of.
No.
But we haven't made some in a while. Guys, I feel really confident about mine.
Mine too.
It's not that stretchy. I'm about to add some. No, actually, I'm gonna add some more lotion there. Oh, that breeze feels nice, guys.
Well,
it's cold. It's like fall. It's just really
Well,
cold.
no,
morning.
it is fall.
But it's like really cold in the morning, and then like it gets kind of hotter.
Not hot.
Like not hot, but it's like perfect temperature.
It's cold for me right now. But I had a vest on, but okay, let's go. There it is. It mine's really sticky.
I just put a bunch of lotion in my hand, and now I'm just getting mine.
Ooh, mine's perfect. Can I take mine off?
No, you gotta wait for me. I'm almost done needing mine. I just had that. Some more lotion.
Oh my god, mine's so freaking stretchy.
Okay.
Oh, there's some like little.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ready? So,
Not done yet. And go. Oh my god, mine's like yellow shirt. Mine's yellow green.
I have blue sparkles. That's so pretty.
Rose gold sparkles.
Guys, I have it all over my shirt. And I'm really mad at that because I really like this shirt. Guys.
Come on, we gotta trade now. We gotta
Oh,
trade.
wait, I gotta finish eating. I just had to add some. Get it all off your hands. Why do I have yellow on mine? Can you like get that off?
Remember you touched me? Yeah, you touched me.
So, how did we think of the
I don't know, but we didn't make a big mess, which is good.
Yeah, last time we
I
tried,
just had some
it
glitter.
killed the grass. Mine's
Yeah.
like so stretchy.
Alright, mine is two. Mine just broke. Right. Okay, you ready?
No, I gotta get this off my shirt.
There's glue or something. Probably like paint. Look how stretchy this is, guys. Look, Julia.
I know, it's like really stretchy. And we
This
gotta
is like-
rate it. Okay, I feel like yours is better.
I don't know. I think mine's really good. Are you ready? You gonna
Mine was fluffy.
Ew, yours is kind of weird.
You just like butter.
I know. It's like, no, it's like kind of tough.
Yeah, because I added so much paint.
Yeah. No, you added a lot of lotion. Because I made some earlier, I added a lot of lotion and stuff like that.
Okay, what do you rate mine?
I rate yours an 8 out of 10. What do you rate mine?
9 out of 10. No, 8.5 out of 10.
Okay.
Cookie. Okay,
Let's try the cookie.
I think mine makes a better noise.
It makes a good cookie, right?
It's like all falling, you know?
Is that good? Not the same. We're gonna go to Starbucks later. We're totally gonna bring our slimes.
Yes, we are. Do you want to show them our special guest, please?
Maybe. Yeah, I guess I'll get it.
I'll get her. Come here, darling. Maggie. Maggie. No. Let me go get her. She has her bows in.
It's super cute right now. Look at outfit of the day, guys. Look at this shirt and then my ripped jeans. They're like ripped at the top.
So she got her haircut, but she has Halloween bows.
Why is she so cute? Is that how you like slime? You like slime?
No.
So this is mine close up.
Hey, I got it on your shirt. It feels so fluffy. Mine has blue sparkles.
Mine is rose gold. Let's see who can go out like that more.
I'm gonna do it over here so I can see better.
Ready? Steady.
Without even
Oh my god. Let's get a bubble. Oh my god, bubble. Oh.
Okay, guys, I think that rounds up the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll definitely start posting more. We'll try to. We'll probably post
I
some
did
this
post a
weekend.
video though. I posted one of food challenge.
Oh, yeah.
So go check the video out.
We will definitely
Kinda
try to
funny.
make more videos. Hopefully this weekend we can.
Yes. Julia, just a little hint. Julia ate expired chocolate syrup, so go check that video out.
Yeah, and I almost died.
And I ate sour cream and died.
Okay, anywho, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe.
No, make sure to slime subscribe. Slime subscribe.
Okay, whatever. Give it a big thumbs up. We hope you guys enjoyed.
Peace. Peace, guys. Woo!